Are you having problems with the Tabby card not showing up in the app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So the first thing we need to do is to close the app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just go into your settings app, and this is what I did to be able to make it work myself. I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what I did on this page is that I scrolled down as well, and then I clicked on storage in here, and then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load right here. It's just going to take us, oh yeah, now it's perfect. Now it has loaded here, so you can just swipe all the way up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search for Tabby with 2B here, and yeah, then click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here, and then click on reinstall app button. And sometimes you have to click on it 2 times, just so you know, but just click on it again. And basically what will happen now is that your Tabby app will automatically update to its latest version. And that is very important, because if the the card is not showing up on the app, then that probably means that you haven't yet updated your app to the latest version for it to work. So try this, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.